Alright, here we are. We got a bunch of storms approaching from the southwest. We're supposed to get multiple rounds of this this evening into tomorrow morning. In total, we're forecast to get around 2 inches of rain between now and tomorrow morning. So, might get interesting. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. So I guess we'll just have to see what happens. Some lightning. These are all pretty elevated storms. Alright, I'm gonna go find a different spot. Now it's raining hard, and there's more coming. It's raining pretty good now. Lots of thunder. This round of storms, though, is about to move out, so there's definitely more coming. So we'll see what happens. See, it is absolutely downpouring right now. Definitely some much needed rainfall, to say the least. But it is absolutely downpouring. All that water. Should be a break in the rain after this. Now it's coming down even harder. As you can see, it is absolutely downpouring. It's picking up. There we go. Yep. Can really hear the rain coming down inside here. See a hammer in the windows. Alright, now we're in the break period between the rounds of heavy rain. These clouds are moving very quickly up there. Wind is picking up a lot. It's picking up a little bit. It's going to start raining again pretty soon, probably within the hour. So we'll see what happens. Definitely rained quite a bit. I'd say at least half an inch to an inch already, just in the last like 2 hours. Yep, See if we get anything else. There's all the water filling up this pond. And this was empty before the storm today. So we'll have to see how much more water ends up in there by the end of this. Yep. Good bit already. Alright, it's like 7 a.m. next morning. And you can see the conditions have deteriorated quite a bit. Very windy. Pretty windy. The cold front has moved through. Probably got about 1.5 inches of rain over the last 24 hours. Now it's just breezy and chilly. Here's a decent gust. Yeah, that's pretty much it though.